Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with
And
my
I'm
granddaughter.
I'm Megan from Blue Sky.
And today we have the Creative Notions unboxing.
It's not an unboxing, it's an unbagging.
There we go.
Yeah.
What a cute little polka dotted bag.
Looks like Minnie Mouse.
Oh, that's right. It does, doesn't it? I didn't think about it till just then. Ooh, look at the goodies. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute, wait a minute.
I'm just holding.
This was really, really tight.
Your first goodie is a drawstring bag.
And I
Look
forgot there was a t-shirt in the bag this month.
Dips.
Oh my goodness.
Dips. Me, pick me, pick me.
Piggy. Oh.
Like donkey, me.
Oh, it's just, look.
They can't see it.
Making memories one stitch at a time.
They can't see it.
Look at that. Isn't that
There
adorable?
you go.
With the camper.
It's right there.
The camper's up here to tell.
Same thing.
Oh my goodness.
It's on the shirt.
I like it.
Mine.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at her.
An
She's showing
invisible
two things in
zipper,
a row.
19-inch.
I'm showing this because
Okay.
I like these.
Let's see, is this connected to that?
Well, while she's fiddling, here's some Maker's gel pens. I love pens. They're fun to write with. Wait. The colors make it fun. That's what I meant. Not pens are.
And they go
They're
with the
pens.
and they go with the planner. The Maker's planner. The book that I got.
I like pens.
Okay, here's my invisible zippers, and you can tell by looking at them that you cannot see the teeth on the zippers.
You can tell they're invisible. Oh my gosh.
Okay, and it was wrapped around 100% cotton.
Ooh, I want to show this.
Look at this. Do not dry clean. Oh, look at that.
Do not soak.
It's cord, and it's red. It's cord trim. 100%
With
cotton, 5 yards. Look
With
at, like
lip.
if you put it around a pillow or something.
That's
what
the
you do.
lip. That's all the back talk it's going to give us.
Where did you see lip at anywhere?
Other side. With lip.
Oh,
It's got
I
some
see.
sass.
There you go. Only you would think of something like
And
that.
I get to show off fabric.
We're going to do this part first, but I'll let you show the fabric. Okay, so we have the bread dip. And what I'm looking for is, well, I was looking for,
Here, you can show
this is
this
the
off.
subscription. Well, normally this paper right here would be a small little paper. So it talks about everything that's in the box, and I do not see the Zappy Dot, do you? So I did not get one of those in this box.
Maybe the next box.
Okay, this is the North Pole Bulletin, Christmas in July. And then you
July.
can read here for the fabric if you want.
Boy, I get to read.
If you want. Anywho, so we showed the zipper, the red trim pack, the t-shirt. Here's the recipe is bread dip.
Since she won't show y'all.
Wow, these are some really long directions here. Brina Terra is the winner. Let's see, we like everything in this dip, it looks like. Oh no, you don't like onions.
Yes, I do.
Ooh.
I like
That
onion
looks pretty
dip.
good.
Is there anything I don't like? Sour cream.
Well, I don't
Well,
think
if you
you're gonna
can't taste it.
Yeah. No, it's budding meat. I don't even know what that is. 4 to 5 packages of budding meat of your choice?
The butcher or the store. It's a specific kind of
That must be.
meat.
Okay, hold on, let's check into it. Alrighty, so let's see, what do we got here?
A paper.
Oh, little labels. Look, Santa's elves didn't make this, I did, and it took forever.
Are you sure you didn't have help? Because that looks pretty good to me.
What does?
The paper.
Yeah. And
It
then
says,
cut
no,
it.
it
Oh,
says Santa's elf didn't make this.
Right.
Oh, elves.
elves, yeah.
So I think they helped.
Here we go, let's take a look at it. This is what happens when you don't know what's in the bag. You gotta look at all of it before you want to show all of it. Here's these 4 labels.
That one. You're going too fast. They can't see the top.
Yeah.
Now they can.
Okay. Pass your mustard.
Okay.
And here's a holiday throw pillow.
It's not
Oh my
mustard.
gosh.
It's honey mustard. We keep it
Excuse me.
sweet. And tangy.
Sweet and tangy.
Yes.
All right, let me get this out of this paper because I don't like the glare.
She don't like the glare. It's a protector.
Yes.
You just gonna throw everything my way. Okay. Okay. You get a binder clip. You can't see it on your shirt. You have a red shirt. Ta-da!
So the finished size for these throw pillows are 18 by 18. Here's what they look like. It's bent a little bit from being in the bag.
That's fine.
And the material is going to be for 2 throw pillows. So you can take your pick.
A little microphone.
And the thing I like about this is that all that printing is on one side of the paper. So you can put it in. I think you dropped it, didn't you?
What?
All right, here is the monthly, I'm going to guess, block that we're doing. See if I can get that out. So every month we do it.
You get all these colors. I don't know what that
So
says.
these
Assorted fat quarters, swatches, and actual print size. She did
There's
the
the
punch
colors.
There you go. Got your blue, your purple, your pink, your orange, green, your purple.
And the Dottie sample
brown.
quilt
Right.
is the Friendship Star block of the month. Here it is. That's a picture of it.
It's on there. They didn't see the bottom half though.
Well, that's okay. It's half square triangles. I'm trying to. And I think the next one is. This is the thread spool block.
I don't have a spool to show them.
Well, no, but that's what it looks like right there. Spool of thread on there.
Yeah, but the spool was it goes around the spool.
Okay, and it gives you the
More
directions
patterns.
on that. So let's put it all together. That's if you want to match these colors. Okay. Now,
Make your own with your own
oh,
colors.
and we have some candy, and this is Red Bird.
Red Robin.
No, Red Bird. Handcrafted
Red
candy.
Bird. Tweet, tweet.
Now, you want to show some of the fabric?
Yes!
Definitely.
We have fabric!
That's the highlight of the
Christmas
video.
fabric!
And it looks like a panel on the back.
I know.
Go ahead and unwrap it.
Oh, I can?
Of course. Always. How are we going to look at it if it's not unwrapped?
You can have the string.
The ribbon.
You get this pretty fabric. It says
Then unwrap it. Look
joy
at
and
that
let
pretty
it
on that
snow. I'm gonna flip it over like whoosh.
Okay.
And it's got trees and wreaths. If you want to open it, you can. And classic, the red truck. Is that a? Oh, it's a sleigh.
Mhm.
And a wagon.
And that's a quilt over the side of a truck. That's what that's representing, the quilts.
Yes. Oh, it's the little points. It's did y'all see that? It's like little points. Maybe. Who knows? You get green with little snowflakes and dots.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that one's harder to see. I'll open it a little bit. It's a little winter house.
Barn.
On the other
Different
side,
kind
it's
of
like
barns,
a house
yeah.
and stuff.
Yep. And a wagon.
Uh-huh,
There's the wagon.
uh-huh.
Now that one's pretty right there with the silver.
And you're... That's gray.
Oh, no. Gray.
I don't know.
cheese.
Grillver. So you can grillver your holiday food. Yummy, yummy.
And here
And
comes the
I'll let
panel.
you do the panel. I will let. Because you saw it, noticed it first.
It looks like it's blocks.
Oh,
in the
it's
panel.
got everything on it. Oh my goodness.
Hold it right side.
I
Okay, it goes this
can
way.
see.
Isn't that pretty? Can you see it in the...
Not really. Bring it my way. My way. My way. My way or the highway? Okay, and go.
And go up a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, that is really, really nice. Wouldn't those look nice as pillows? Or even a quilt. You can cut up the squares and make a quilt. Oh yeah, we're gonna lay all this out for everybody.
Make me a quilt.
Anyway, we're gonna lay it all out for everybody to see. All right. And Vicki, you did a very good job. I really like the t-shirt. I like all the fabrics. Those are beautiful.
I think you did have a couple elves. They're right up here. They're pulling strings, aren't they?
I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. So here's the contents of the box. Now, notice that these colors are suggested. You don't have to use these colors to make the two blocks, the Friendship Star and the Thread, I've already forgot the name of it, Thread Spool, block of the month. These are the labels for like Christmas for on your packages. There's the nice t-shirt. Here is the holiday throw pillows. If you want to do it out of this
Fabric.
the panel here, and the fabric. And then this is our recipe that we get every month, right here.
Delicious.
And then we have the cord. Everybody knows that we get candy every month, but we have this cord, which is the trim to go around, which is what is in the picture here. That's what that's showing. You can leave it off if you don't know how to make it, or take your hand at learning something new and put it on. And then this is the cute little bag that we got, the invisible zipper, so you can put this on the back when you close your bag, your pillow if you make it. And then these markers are to be used in the maker's planner.
The
because
pens.
they're regular, the pens, excuse me. And then the panels down here below, which I think is adorable. And of course we all love the fabric. Can't get enough fabric. So thank you everybody for watching my videos. I appreciate it. This is a wonderful box. Wouldn't you agree, Megan?
I would. Still think there was an elf in the room.
And I will see you guys next time in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.